Hello everyone, this is Resin. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are going to show you how to make a resin lighting deco from a discarded cardboard box. First, mark the size you want on the carton. Then, cut it out with scissors or knife. And stick the openings together to make it a smaller box. Let's make a silicone mold of some same size round pieces first. Here we use some button caps. You can use other stuff instead. Assemble the mold and housing to the size you need. Seal the bottom with packing tape. Make sure it's truly stuck to the mold and housing to avoid any leakage. We use the resin to pass silicone rubber kits. Take the equal amounts of putty and pop it by white. Stir them thoroughly for a good 5 minutes. Make sure they are well mixed. Now it's time to pour. Pour the silicone from a higher position to eliminate air bubbles. It's 24 hours later, and it's time to peel off the mold and housing. Now the mold is done. Let's make some resin pieces. The electric stirrer and epoxy resin we use in this video will be the links in the description box below. Flip the box over and put the round pieces in approximate locations. Draw a slightly smaller circle in each position. Then cut them out. Pick a piece of wallpaper or cloth you like, and glue it to the box surface. You can also choose other materials, or just paint directly to decorate it. Cut the holes. To make it look more integrated. Decorate the round pieces the same way you did with the box. Stick the furry lines to the back of the box. Place the LED beads as close to the holes as possible. It will help the lines come through. Cut different shapes with mirror sheets and stick them to the round pieces. Finally, let's stick the round pieces over the holes. Use a piece of acrylic or other material to increase the distance between the holes and the round pieces would be better. The light comes through the gaps. Finished. Thank you for watching. Hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave us a comment below. We'll see you in the next video. Bye!